Okay, so check your jacket, your jeans, your backpack. Find the zipper and actually look at it. You'll probably see three letters, YKK. And here's the weird part. It's on almost everything you own, and most people have no idea who they are. This one company makes around 7 billion zippers a year. That's roughly half of every zipper on planet Earth. And they did it without ads, without hype, without you ever really noticing. In fact, they built an entire city to do it, a place called Kurobe in Japan. And YKK doesn't just make zippers there. They make their own brass, their own fabric, their own boxes. They even build the machines that build the zippers. That's not a factory. That's an obsession. And it started with one guy, Tadao Yoshida. 1934, he's just scraping by in Tokyo, selling zippers out of this tiny little trading shop. And then 1945 hits. Tokyo gets firebombed. His factory, gone, burned to the ground. Most people quit there. He didn't. He rebuilt from nothing with one kind of strange belief. No one prospers without rendering benefit to others. He called it the cycle of goodness, which, yeah, it sounds like a fortune cookie, until you see what it actually did. See, while every other zipper company was outsourcing cheap parts to save money, Yoshida did the opposite. He controlled everything: the brass alloy, the tape, the sliders, even the smelter pouring the metal. Because here's the thing. When a zipper breaks on a $200 jacket, the customer doesn't blame the zipper. They blame the brand. And they don't complain. They just never come back. So one by one, brands started defecting. Nike, Levi's, Adidas, Prada, Louis Vuitton. And not because shoppers were asking for YKK, but because they couldn't afford a cheap one. But okay, here's where it gets weirder. Look at the button on your jeans, the snap on your cuff, the buckle on your backpack. Go ahead, check. A lot of those, also YKK. You've been wearing this company your entire life. You just never looked. Oh, and one more thing. YKK is so dominant that fakes exist. Cheap factories stamp YKK onto garbage zippers just to borrow the trust. Real YKK has this clean, deep engraving on the back of the slider. Fakes are always slightly off. Crooked letters, soft edges, shallow press. So next time you zip up a jacket, flip the slider, check the back. Tell me what brand you found it on. I want to see how deep this goes.